this anomaly or this phenomenon having to do with strange sounds or mystery booms has been ongoing for the past decade. We've been hard-pressed to try to get any real answers for what's going on here, and oftentimes it seems like these noises are coming from the sky, way off in the distance. Sometimes they're constant, and no one can ever seem to get a bead on where they're coming from. Now we have more reports, new reports, of these strange sounds rattling homes, along with mystery booms here, all over the globe. Malaysia to here in the United States. We've got several video clips here recently where many people are complaining about these sounds. One in Pennsylvania has multiple clips where it almost sounds like a drone in the sky, a very low hum, but all day. And most drones can only stay in the sky for 20 minutes. Whatever is in the sky making this noise, so to speak, is there all day. Now, the sound of the one in Pennsylvania was similar to the one in Malaysia. And then you couple that with the mystery booms, there really seems to be something going on. Now, in a lot of these instances, they looked into airports. They looked into firing ranges to see if there was any ammunition being let off or anything like that associated with any of these booms and noises. In many of the instances, nothing was associated with it. Indiana, another location here recently, they're reporting these mystery booms. They say the same thing as you go down through here, clip after clip, unexplained booms. They go through Indiana here. Then they go through Salt Lake City, the same thing that's happened there. Then Ohio. So this is widespread across the country, all the way over to Desert Hot Springs in California. So a lot of times when we cover this, there's a lot of opinion, of course, but we can never get any hardcore proof of what's causing this. Some say it's stuff going on underground, in the mountains, a lot of different theories. But if you guys are experiencing anything like this, let me know. Dabu7yahoo.com. I'm going to leave a link below, and also make sure to join us for Underground World News Live Friday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern on Dabu77. Hope to see you guys there.